Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shanae. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and also share it with someone, okay? I'm new here and I really appreciate it. So yes, today this is another Style My Bob series. We're going to be getting into how to do this very cute, chic, I'm calling it like a vintage Barbie look. You see the flips, you see the little side part bang. It's just very cutesy. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So stay tuned to see how to achieve this super cute look. Go ahead and part in the back. Yeah, let's just go ahead with this first instead of the edges. So go ahead and part section by section, just do little pieces. I find that's what works the best when you're trying to get a really good silk press. So first we're gonna just make sure everything is straight. You can go in with a comb at the end just like this, just a guide, but that's a lot of work. So let's just, for now, just get it straightened. That's what we want to work on. And I've had this flat iron for years, and I mean years. But yeah, he got me this flat iron when we first started dating. I don't know where he got it from, but apparently this flat iron is making a comeback. I saw it on TikTok. The girlies are in their like Y2K area. They're looking for the zebra print flat iron, so I'm gonna hold on to it just in case I need to post it on eBay. You know what I'm saying? And get a little coin. Just kidding. But yeah, it is making a comeback, and I love that. I'm like, cause I was thinking about donating that to Goodwill for the longest, cause I'm like, I need to revamp. I need to get a Baby Bliss and all these different flat irons that's trending right now. But look at that. Everybody's trying to get their hands on this super print flat iron. And I love that. I love that for me. So yes. See how everything is already so straight? Also, I forgot to mention, please use like a silk pressed oil. I went in with BioSilk before I got on camera. I'll show it to you guys at the end. But just so you're able to just get some moisture and also a product that activates when you're flat ironing it to make it more silky, you know? Cool, you want to use a heat protectant, like a thermal guard, but something as well that holds shine, and that's just gonna actually make you have a good silk press. So yeah, that's what I use. BioSilk, another OG, if you know, you know. How we're looking so far. Y'all see how it just moves. Stiff wear. It's always so hard for me to see the back. So if it looks away, please don't judge your girl. Trying to do it in the small sections still. So everything can flow. Gosh. This is how we're looking before putting anything on our edges. This is how we're looking. Usually for me, I tuck everything behind my ears. It's always a vibe. This is my go-to, everyday go-to right here. It's just tucking it and doing my edges. A side part today. Y'all see how easy that was to just switch from the middle to the side? That was actually pretty easy. I don't know how my hair was trained to do that all of a sudden, but it said, girl, we trying to help you today. And I love that. Okay, now that we are right here, we want to go ahead and pull out this gel. This is wax. The gummy wax. Get a few. This is our bang that we're going to use to tuck. I think that's a good amount out. Just try to use this little bobby pin just to hold it right now. Okay, just trying to get the foundation together. Right, I'm liking this. All right, so take that pencil, flat iron, and just try to get every strand. Don't burn yourself, but you just do want to get every strand. It's just a cleaner look. Much cleaner. Okay. All right, now that we have our edges secured, let's go ahead. Just a tad bit more of this gel, just to get those flyaways. Because we want it to be sleek. Again, this is sleek and sophisticated. So and take this, the end of our edge brush, edge comb, and just make sure everything is intact. Bobby pin. And then what I'm gonna do next is go ahead and take sections. We don't need anything else on our hair, no oils, nothing. You just want to slightly flip it up, just like that. I'm really loving how this has come out. But section by section, just flip it up. Nope. It's hard when you're trying to look in the mirror and do it. Just like that. And don't worry, if you feel like it's too tight, it will fall. But right now we just wanna achieve the flip up. Very cutesy that looks. Just like that. I could go one more time on this. Like that. So cute. Let me see if any straggles in the back. There's always straggles. So sometimes with those straggles, you could just blend them in. How cute is this? I am so proud. This is the piece that we hid behind our ears. Just a tad little bump. Just so it blends, you know? Just like that. Wow. Get into it. This is our final look. This is like a very, very bougie flip with the bang. It's given vintage Barbie. I believe vintage Barbie. That's the go-to for this look.